Daydreaming, a flight of the mind. Hello learners! Today, we'll dive deep into the world of English language and explore the meaning of the phrase, daydream. Have you ever caught yourself lost in thoughts during a sunny afternoon or perhaps while looking out the window? Well, there's a word for that. A daydream is a spontaneous and voluntary series of thoughts or images that are usually pleasant and unrelated to the task at hand. It's like a brief escape from reality, where our minds wander freely, taking us to different places, memories, or even entirely made-up scenarios. We often daydream when we're bored, relaxed, or doing a monotonous task. Daydreaming allows our brains to take a break. Sometimes, these fantasies can inspire us or help us solve problems in creative ways. Daydreaming isn't always a sign of laziness. It can also be a reflection of our deepest desires, hopes, and fears. While both involve a series of thoughts or images, there's a difference between a daydream and a dream. A dream usually happens when we're asleep. Daydreaming, on the other hand, happens while we're awake. The key difference? Control. In a daydream, we often have more control over the direction and content of our thoughts compared to the dreams we experience during sleep. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Here are some examples. I was daydreaming about my upcoming vacation during the meeting. Whenever she listens to music, she tends to daydream about her childhood. It's easy to daydream on a lazy Sunday afternoon. And there you have it. Daydreaming is a beautiful aspect of the human experience, allowing our minds to wander and explore endless possibilities. Remember, it's okay to let your thoughts drift away once in a while. Who knows, you might just stumble upon a brilliant idea during one of your daydreams. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the English language.